3 or 4 people go right.
Alright.
Okay, about 4 people in the middle go left. They're probably going to come back.
Oh,
left to that rock.
shit.
Damn it. Okay, if you see them coming, call them out. Tell us how many are coming where. What? I'm going to go to that first rock. I have to hold that rock when I get there. Yeah, he's going to have to go in that one the other side. Call them out. You see 5 people coming left side? Tell us.
Hey, can I have some more help over here?
The game hasn't started.
Okay, you gonna go with us?
I'm gonna go to this box.
We're gonna sprint the rock.
This big one? This one or that one?
This one, I think the next one. It's not. Over here, guys! Guys!
Alright.
Behind the rock it is.
See? Yeah, it's been good for us lately. Yeah, let's go fast. Yep. Right there. Fucking sheet. I was just hitting the rock. Brett even said you were hitting the rock.
There's the guy in the tunnel over there.
Okay. Oh, God.
Noah!
Right there. Right there.
Noah! Noah!
Shit. Come. Right here. See what I'm hitting? Right there.
Noah! Noah! He's in the tunnel. See him? No, far tunnel. He's out, he's out.
Right side, right side.
Is he over there?
I spotted you plenty. Yeah. I went there, hunker in the back and guard me for a little bit. Oh, shit. Yeah, good. Is that the battery? I think so. I have another battery. Gotta get your dad to come with us sometime, Jake. Yeah, his knees are kind of crapped out on. Here, I gotta go. So. You wanna go with? Hey, you know the chocolate chip game was, right? You guys had 4. I didn't have it. Oh, I'm so sad. Yeah. I'm so sad. I don't, for some reason you get it.
No, it's still recording, right?
Yeah, still going.
And what does it?
Dude, I'm almost out of ammo.
Don't you have a second mag? Behind the rock.
I have 3 mags.
Behind the rock!
And I already used one of them.
Chocolate chip cookies on it or something. That's what I thought, because I'd never heard of it until then.
No. Oops, sorry. Sorry.
Hey, who's going with me to the rock?
Who's going to the right? I'll go right. You wanna
Right.
go right?
I'm riding. I'm going right.
You're writing?
Yeah, I'm
Right.
riding.
Writing an essay?
Yeah. I actually have to finish up an essay for
A
school.
couple people here, a couple people in the middle. Most people
Look
are
at me.
on the
Look
right
at me.
side.
Does it look like I care?
Yeah.
No.
Guys,
You guys move up. Tell people to move up, and then everyone else cover the guys.
All right, let's do this.
Oh shit. Fuck. Dude, the whole team went that way.
Moving.
you see anybody?
No, but a lot of them went. Right. A lot of them went right.
I saw that. Like 20 of them. Hey, Josh, move up. Move up to the tunnel. Josh, that's not a tunnel. That's a tunnel. Really? See, it's round and you can go inside of it. Okay, look that way.
Where?
Oh fuck, the tunnel's right there.
Yeah.
Dude, they're coming.
You see him?
3 people just got hit.
There's a guy straight across. So,
Then shoot him.
no, Mike is there. Not me. Go to the maze, look up. You want to switch? Switch, go.
Hey, they're coming from the right. I think.
Watch the maze. Watch the maze!
He's right here, he's right there. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
Sitting on the maze?
Yes. Then shoot him. Huh? You need a mag?
I can't get him from here.
Alright, you
have
cover
to
me?
shoot him. Rosie,
Three.
can you get the rest of our guys? Doesn't matter if you get hit.
I see him, I see him. Yeah, he's at the tunnel, by the maze.
There's a guy that's in the tunnel right here.
The one right behind us?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here, behind us.
Stop watching the tunnel. Watch the guy. Micah. Right there, okay?
Kenji.
Oh, I see him, I see him. Hey, he's right there. Shit. Hey, dude, get out of the way. Dude, get out of the way. Dude. When you get hit, just walk out of the way. Hey, Noah. Hey, Noah. That guy with the M42, he just kept shooting Micah.
Dude, I fucking shot him so many times.
Dude, I know. Being on a team doesn't give you special privileges.
Oh my god.